What jobs is AI replacing? Let's start with the uncomfortable part. Yes, AI is automating certain jobs. Industries like manufacturing, customer service, and transportation are seeing major changes. Self-driving trucks are becoming a reality, and chatbots are handling customer inquiries faster than ever before. For example, if you've called customer support recently, chances are you've interacted with an AI before speaking to a human. These systems can handle simple tasks like tracking orders or answering FAQs, which means fewer human agents are needed for those jobs. And in manufacturing, robots are taking over repetitive tasks like assembly line work. Why? Because they're faster, more precise, and don't need breaks. For businesses, it's a no-brainer. But before you panic, let's put this in perspective. While these changes are real, they're mostly affecting jobs that involve repetitive, predictable tasks. And that brings us to the next point. What jobs is AI creating? Here's the good news. AI isn't just taking jobs, it's also creating entirely new ones. In fact, the demand for AI-related roles is skyrocketing. Careers like data science, machine learning engineering, and AI ethics are becoming some of the most sought-after positions in the job market. But it's not just tech jobs. AI is also creating opportunities in industries you might not expect. For example, 1. In healthcare, AI is helping doctors analyze data and detect diseases earlier, which means there's a growing need for professionals who can work alongside these systems. 2. In marketing, AI tools are being used to analyze customer behavior, and companies need people to interpret that data and build strategies around it. 3. Even creative fields like art and music are seeing a boost, with AI generating new ideas and helping artists push boundaries. The key here is collaboration. AI doesn't replace creativity, empathy, or critical thinking, skills that humans excel at. Instead, it enhances what we can do. What skills will you need to stay relevant? So how do you make sure you're ready for the future? The answer is simple: adaptability. The job market is changing, and the best thing you can do is embrace lifelong learning. Here are a few skills that will keep you in demand. 1. Digital literacy. Understanding how to use AI tools, even if you're not a tech expert. 2. Critical thinking. AI can process data, but it still needs humans to make sense of it. 3. Emotional intelligence. Jobs that require empathy, leadership, and communication will always need a human touch. 4. Creativity. AI can assist with ideas, but the ability to think outside the box is something only humans can do. And don't forget, many online platforms offer free or affordable courses to help you learn these skills. Whether it's coding, data analysis, or even just understanding how AI works, there's never been a better time to invest in yourself. The big picture: humans and AI working together. The truth is, AI isn't here to replace us. It's here to work with us. Think of AI as a tool that takes care of the boring, repetitive tasks so we can focus on what really matters. For example, 1. Teachers can use AI to grade assignments, giving them more time to focus on helping students. 2. Doctors can use AI to analyze medical scans faster, allowing them to spend more time with patients. 3. Writers can use AI tools to brainstorm ideas or polish their work, freeing up time for deeper creativity. The future of work isn't humans versus AI. It's humans and AI working side by side. What does the future look like? Looking ahead, we'll likely see a shift in how we view work. Instead of focusing on what AI can take away, we'll start to see what it can give us. More efficiency, more creativity, and more time to focus on what makes us human. The key is to embrace the change. The job market has always evolved. Just think about how the internet created careers that didn't exist 20 years ago. AI is no different. It's not about resisting the change, it's about preparing for it. So will AI take over jobs? The answer is yes and no. Yes, it will replace certain tasks, but no, it won't replace humans. It's creating a future where we can do more, learn more, and achieve more. The real question is, are you ready to adapt and take advantage of these new opportunities? Let me know in the comments. Are you excited or nervous about the role of AI in the workplace? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can stay ahead of the curve. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.